Hi guys, Ron here from Core Components. Thanks for purchasing the 7-mount frame rail mount coil bracket assembly for your FD chassis. In the early part of the instructions, you'll see that there's a chassis prep section. One of the things that we'll be doing is installing Nutserts in the chassis. There are two Nutserts, an M6 and an M5. We're going to focus on the M5 for this demonstration. Now this bracket here shows two Nutserts already installed. We're going to use this to simulate the chassis, just because it's such a tight packaging area in the car. I'll show you what our components are. We've got this M5 Nutsert. We've got this lock washer, which is key to holding the Nutsert in place. This M6 spacer, which is actually used in another portion of our kit. Two stainless steel M5 washers and an M5 bolt. So that's our assembly stack up. So we're going to install both washers back onto the M5 bolt, the M6 spacer, the M5 lock washer, and the M5 Nutsert. Now one of the key things to do is make sure you snug this down tight. You want to grab this side. You can even grab your Allen wrench and just turn it so it's snug. If you want, you can put a needle nose pliers on this outer part, hold it and tighten it till it starts just a little bit. I won't need to do that in this case here, but it's something you can do if it doesn't start for you. So this is our chassis. We push the Nutsert into the chassis, grab our 10mm box wrench, and basically, as you're putting pressure towards the chassis, turn your M4 Allen wrench, which is driving the M5 bolt and pulling the Nutsert compression. Now I'm going to do this faster with a ratchet, but you can do it either way. You want to continue to do this until you just get some resistance and it seems to snug up. Then you'll back it off and just back out your bolt. And once this is done, you'll have a nice threaded insert in your chassis. There's two of these. You'll install your bolts and you'll continue on installing your coil mount bracket. Thanks guys.